it don't reach for site from Mundemba. 10 o'clock, it don't reach to for site from Moyoka. 10 o'clock, it don't enter for place where they call them for Oko. 10 o'clock, it don't land for side where they call them for Garwa. What is the main news? Plenty thing and there where we get for send them for upside. You where you get for Shidong. You know say this so you the Shidong for years on team with AFLW tomorrow. And how Cameroon it work out today, me you Shidong only quiet because now only for LTM. When you see them all, and then you get time for take your telephone, you participate for the program because we get for joy. All they talk them for upside and the one for inside for Mekam. Say me a Cameroon ego before. We go into for strong number chapter 1 na palava accident where don't happen for evening. Now for place where they call them for Tongolo and Tongolo. Now quarter for inside Yaoundé taxi with another taxi. They meet up. They kiss mob. They say na love where the one join them last. One taxi he go hang. Now on top some woman he been a place for that side for Tongolo, and this accident it caused trouble for that side. It caused traffic yesterday for evening. Another one accident where happened yesterday for that side for Tonga and then for that side for West Region. What happened now? Among is moto where it come up for side for West Region for come for inside Yaoundé. Some private car where it will run lembim a one car enter for under the 70-seater. Now where the driver as it be na international he dodge him one time and then the small motor he go enter for inside bush. As we talk now, people them they sleep for our hospital where in accident we happen for side for Tonga. We come up from that side for Tonga. We talk Palava Bridge where it happen for side where they call them now for Bafman road where they come up for Bafman for go for side for Fundong. Now so it happen for that side. They say they so the place it don't cut and when motor it try for pass for day it go fall for inside water as when they see them. So now the road that Okada is itself in the fear for pass for that bridge. So they beg the parliamentary and the mayor say me they try for put their hand together make them say me they fix the bridge because short way they don't make them motor them they enter inside water it not look fine at all. Same story for sharp morning time it talk say waiting. Same story for sharp morning time it tell we say dog where you see lion it no run it stand. He get some grass where he dey for a corner where he count on that grass. Dog where he see lion, he no run, he stand. That means say some grass he dey for a corner where he count on that grass. Person was saying for we na Ma Deborah. He said for we for Bakingele he dey for that side for Southwest Cameroon. My people support him na Tashe Ngaye a support him for that side where they call him na for Kikai come Kikai come he didn't have that side for Bui and Bui he didn't have a side for Northwest Cameroon. Nangdenge we come back and then we'll talk. You don't feel enter for church and then any person where he want call number when a number for WhatsApp me you know say he hate he know the celebrity because they know they call that number. Yes, when we don't start any person where they call that number let me say he hate he know the celebrity because they don't write them for they say now WhatsApp number where they say you must test we now message even the number one and the one for WhatsApp so that me will understand thing where you want talk. When you call them, that means say you want this step now the program, but Satan, he no could ever can be forgot. And we enough fish down for one compound with the Satan. So this one me when I know say now God he program and now God he look at the program. Chapter 1 they say so for Cameroon. For buy motor that one thing and for Sabi drive now one thing. Driver them for Cameroon they don't want to go drive in school. They learn that driving now for night. And for place where they knock Ndamba. Motor where they load for that side for Total, Ngoso for Rich for Soa. It don't make accident again. Me will go for Soa Road, go see what way happen. This one for Soa Road and this one na boss. Where it passenger them for Total Ngoso. For going for Soa, those where they go for school, those where they go for business place, those where they go for farm. Now in this now, it don't can hang again for this place. It don't can hang again for this place. Passenger they don't get can cut. And they say they so passenger they wait for me though, they don't last go for hospital. And we're 2 days now for sick bed where at any time they fit talk bye for country. And the way when this Mororo boy the way they run this road that they fly. And passenger they complain minute. They complain. Say go small. Since for Cameroon we know the year 12 with the year 13. And we be Thomas. They don't last year. And when governor for Cameroon, we don't talk to them, so charter for cargo, it get for disappear for country. After we see cargo don't come now with different color. Well, it shows that so there is also give money for council for the operate. Like that. So if I say school picking a return for that place for take taxi, who said the body now? Who said the body now? Any man way you know they get the volume. Me a try way for scan the decoder. If you know they get volume, me you try way for scan the decoder because they complain say they know they get we. Yes, that means say your decoder a get problem. Me you scan them. Because we get volume for this site. Now another accident that the one way happen for site for Tongolo. Tongolo now so quarter for inside Yaoundé. I say another accident. They be ever call to women that time where something don't happen for country. But time for occasion when there's an occasion for on site, my number no they appear for that phone again. But time when na accident, na fire, they don't catch the people. That time they call them. Today man, who say you they bring your broom can't sweep all this trouble. This one of fair Tongolo. Tongolo. Taxi where it come out. For side where they call say for dragage. It come for a side for a 2D. It don't come make love for this side. So tell last tire. Woman as the life of she for front motor. Some fat woman be there for front this taxi. Now with the talk so big cut them. It there for his skin. And massa it don't come for hospital. It come vex plenty because woman let me tell you say this so he won't come out for house. And he won't come out for house. He not call you massa. Now he last call you massa. And at time way trouble he don't catch you. For now say this so. Woman, your head is strong like a coconut. They're not the year 12, they're the year 13. How you go come over house, you not talk for your master. You last call your master and time where you there for trouble. Who go pay now the hospital bill because master don't talk to this so you hand you know the for inside. Master don't talk to this so you hand know the inside because you know no side way woman come out. Say woman call side way we go, you go come pay hospital bill. Whether it be no man, no ask me. Time for calling, you go ask some. Live and contribute. For Cameroon, when we not sure, they not fix them. When we show them, they go start the fine side way the trouble dey. Road for Kobo for side for Rai, Bonaberi, go read for side for Abattoir, Slaughterhouse, na Helele. When man succeed for Kobo for sham morning time, go take moto or take taxi or Okada go for work. For turn back for night, for reach for house, he must spend the 2 hours for inside traffic. Now in that, when we talk, they say we talk. I say for come over Rai, for Bonaberi, for going for Sodipa, that means say for Abattoir. Na man pay. For even in the bina die. Only traffic. Okada will passenger one reach for us quick. Taxi he says he want go drop passenger quick. Those people worker with foot, they want pass quick. And wait till they cause all this traffic, now big leg wait there for that road. I say big leg, oh na fish pomo, me and no sabi. Contractor where we take the road, they say the tonton so for inside the Walla town. They only chop na money, go for snack, go for nightclub, latest nightclub for inside town, the Monday inside. Man wey begin a contract, he dey inside Yaoundé. He no get time. He no know whether they work it go or he don't stand. Now the big fish pump that. Now the big like that. Oh na swimming polo, no ask me. When you don't make an all man they pass na one side. And the one side where they use them, na side where they come up for right for go for side for Abattoir. It's not easy for this population for that side. Even Tata Golof, it is for that side for Carifo Sejo Polo, for Komogori for Bonakanwa, it's not easy for you. Even State Council, YSSF, it is for Abattoir, for Command, come for side for Rai, na trouble. Those who they get private car, they suffer for this route. Those who they get private car, they suffer for this route. Now, when they talk say council, now they pass time for collect. Import liberatoire for business people them for that side. But time when trouble they call them, they know they pass. It's just the police, where they work a bar to bar, collect 1,000. When they call say they so, some man don't dream but no pay, policeman not return again for go for place where they don't settle with control. So then they beg the council for site for Bonasama. Say me try way maximum visit for morning time, for that side for Abattoir. And may get small visit for night, for come over right, go for side for Abattoir. For see how population they suffer. And the population now them be vote mayor and parliamentarian where they did for side for Bonaberi. But waiting mayor and parliamentarian they work where population they complain. Population they complain because they work where they expect. Say me they do it, they never succeed for do it. Population they vex because what way they be promised them, no nothing where they see. And for Cameroon, Caesar will be Thomas. We like for chop bread, we like for chop rice, and then we like for chop sardine. Now this now. Sardine where they can't give one and one savon. We 1 cup rice, we 1 beer, we total in 1,150 francs. You don't say your conscience for 1,150 francs for 7 years. And you know what the way mayor could get them for 7 years? No. You know the way parliamentarian they get them for 7 years? No. But when they come with bread, they say hungry, they overdo it. When they take them and then go vote the person. When the person win, it disappear when I know they see again. Now when they complain, and time for complain, when they complain now for me, instead for go complain for my way when I be voter. So I know one send me when I complain again for me, when I go to complain for council, say when I need, say me they fix the road. If I be denied, say when I no vote them, when I know for year, since when I don't drink the mimbo. Because mimbo be important for Cameroon, pass a tea for morning time. Yes, see BB hole for middle road. BB hole for middle road. Yes. Now got to hold that. I say Okada don't they ever jam road for pass. Whether they go carry am for hero, they will carry am. Passenger push am for back, driver hold steering, then jump. Like that. Some don't park na park, say they so the traffic must finish. Oh, why just also there for place for say. The man is also there for a very spot for say rice. Rice and beans in the past market for that side. When I see traffic, now we go come out. We go for Boya. I say for Boya. We don't know whether they so those when they work for council for Boya that the year we or that they see the program. If they not see them, they must follow we for site for Facebook or for YouTube. Council for Boya with the head boy mayor and the parliamentarian section president. Me when I not celebrate na under that number 24 day. Where population they suffer. All the kind accident where they happen for Boya. For come over for my 17. Go for Boya town. Now some motor they run. Careless. Run for middle. Run for corner. All this one now because they never mark the road. They never put white pen for middle. For divide the road into two. So that man when he go up, he go by the right. Man when he go down, he go by the right. But since for Cameroon, we know the year 12. We don't beg mayor. Send message for mayor for Boya. He didn't say the message never ready. We send them for parliamentarian. He didn't say he never ready. We send them for the senator. When are number 1. He didn't say the message never reach. If he never reach, that means say one day, taxi man go tell you say this so messenger for God, he don't send message say me they go buy a carton for chop. Can grind them and then put water, mix them, and then divide that road day. If money for buy paint in no day, me we use na chalk. So that it will avoid the accident where they happen every day for side for Boya. When I look that motor where they come, no be there for middle road. If person be the cross, maybe could jam am. For Boya now for cross road. It needs to be you cross one time. Because if you cross, you stand for middle, that means say you don't die. That means say you don't die, motor will kill you. Since I'm mayor not the year, and parliamentarian not the year, senator not the year, now we could go now for palace. For go meet up parliament chief for side for Boya. For Beggy, me try way for common chalk, me with Granham, mark that route because we no want for see accident again for Boya. Live and countryman. They say court where they be the judge family problem. They be the judge problem for inside. The court is then now inside grass for site where they call them for conjure. I mean, yes. For site for conjure, they say now for mini, whether na mini with you. Mini stand, name for the quarter. And person will be the chief judge, if it ever been a mayor. Mayor, if they participate, and then due to na be the majesty. We go back for conjure, go see him. Now Cameroon within. We go see where the pass for conjure. This one na courthouse. Yes, where the call of offense tribunal coutumier. Now in this, when also we move money, we go bill. As rain in fall strong, it can come out the zinc. A trap. All we full we hand them, we shit down. Even for organized community work for go move the grass, me the building the shine, me air the touch up. No man in no one organized community work. Any man they only fight for being a chief. Any man they fight for being a chief. And any man in the fight for being only for inside the system. This one now has where now history house. When Pekin and go come big, they not gonna know say this so something will exist for inside conjure. So now change than that when you catch it on top. And then this one na table. Where for back the table now for the way Joe will ever shit on. And then they judge you. The table there for inside, ready for on top. Sun the shine on top. They build in small time it go collapse. And when there for inside history for Cameroon. Now when we ask them whether they so what did it really happen for side for conjure because plenty thing and then where they don't abandon them. Abandon even those on office where they will give the bill. Abandon place where they will judge people. Abandon hospital for inside bush. He don't look correct at all, country people. He not fine at all. Now where Puri man is say this so I for us for conjure me yourself you go look am. Tell me whether not true say they for inside bush. Countryman, wait till the pass for side for conjure and wait till you don't see him. Match fire, me we hear to where they talk.
So this house, this building way there for my back. Now for here way the baby make tribunal coutumier. Don't for here this one we wanna see for my back so now tribunal coutumier baby pass for here. And now since we the van don't come so to carry am since that time them never arrange am. And we don't know this one now money way people Cameroon them to spoil them. Wanna see how we the has be. For ce say them don't abandon them. We them don't abandon and we now for year we Monsieur le sous-préfet from conjure et puis make tribunal administratif. Tant we you get tribunal coutumier. Tant we problem day you come porter plainte for sous-préfecture. Now for year we them become do all thing for tribunal coutumier. Now you will see how we all grass don't come about time. For ce say since we thing don't fall, na you will not see them. So na you will also has government say vraiment pas na so way they must do something. I should say all the rapport they must be say na they work this the worker they has a baby men at tribunal coutumier for year and now we na see how we all grass don't flop for inside the house. Na you will the house am so est-ce que na so way money for Cameroon ball being that one in the question.
You put for your telecommand, you put 3, put 1, put 8, you go see LTM. Yes. Yes, 318. Now the channel that. No, be for telephone, for telecommand. Go for TV. You go take telecommand, you put 318. You go start the show LTM, countryman. Yes. Yes. So me we come up with that one now. We enter which one? We go talk about accident where don't happen for Tongolo. Now one of the quarter them for yes for Tonga. Yes, for Tonga. Tonga then have side for West region. I feel a bat yesterday. As people then they look up. Then they look now people that where they get can caught. Motorway when man be fix am for the run for road. This one it don't go be on for under mango. Sometimes mango man no. They say this small motor, it come out for site where they call am for Makedene, it come. And then among mes amis on motor, it come out for site for Bangante, it come. Move there. I say this 70-seater. They say the driver will be an intelligent driver. Say na driver where get sense. Say na international driver. Say if you not be an international driver, this motor no for this so. This motor for broke all. Say that's small motor with the camera for you before, face to face. And for the side where you get for commander for Bangante, they go for Yaoundé. Motor leave the on road this small one. And they come now face to face. How move. Then when the driver turn one time, he go different direction. This motor now come from back. Clang! He jump to Mosai. This woman he be there for inside. As he picking a cry, he come out for back now. As picking be there for his sister. He come now for front for come take the picking. He see him. How the motor they come. He tell driver. Driver knock pump. Motor they only come. Because for Cameroon. Some people in the worker with motor for daytime, they not see place because they don't drink mimbo, drunk for night. Now this. All man they look am. Say this so this one it be a pussy on top steering. Or it be a person. Sometimes a monkey with the driver, they say no na person. Motor twist one time. They use na ass as when they see them for common people and when they be there inside. This woman said this so he don't see die for the first time. And die don't deny for take them. Say die don't deny for take them. They for the talk now with the day in mortuary. And at the time, driver for this agency for Amomizam, if that driver it be lost sense small, we for the count now starting from 50 where they don't die. Yes, they for the count now more than 50 people where they don't die. This one now people and way they say they run gone for site for northwest, they come them for site for central region. And they come meet up again an accident way motor one kill them. If they not begin their life for Christ, we for the talk now, they for the organized national cry die. We not be normal. Live and countryman. Now we go for site for Bafmen. Road where they come out for Bafmen, go for Fondong. They don't fix the route. But now bridge is the block now the route for continue. Now where they back. Semi-parliamentarian, he look inside the matter because the parliamentarian now person where he knock all door for inside Yaoundé and when he knock door them open them. Honorable Walan Richard, he go see him and he go nothing way he could do him because he love the population. Me will go see him. LTM go show wonder. I say now road this way they come up for side where they call say for buff men. For God if for Fundong. Now bridge this. Now bridge that. Even truck nothing pass there. Okada, where they pass here now, Okada where you head is strong like coconut. I say Okada man where they accept for pass here. Now Okada man where he is strong head. They say that's all for under. They be carrying us on hanya. And then can put up in those days. Now it don't rotten. And where it don't crack. Why you get the worker for the past day, you the hear noise. Where the show said this so at any time if it collapse. Now road this way caterpillar don't dig up. And when the parliamentarian, Walan Richard, he don't bring caterpillar. He can't open the road and then bring caution. Now caution that when people for use that caution, go swim inside water, they say be fish, he come out the other side. This papa, he all work now for common sand inside water for those where they be house them for that side. So if we get tough for we. He say get tough for tough because this matter it don't pass it. Now when we be sent I for LTM where the shit for side for Bafman, Mr. Abubakar, he could go meet up this pa. Papa, what it really happened and why motor they not the pass for you again? Me we hit him way pa go talk. Oh yeah.
Stop for them to pass. Because even water will enter, motor no go pass again. Because again, I never cause of bridge. Because bridge don't cut.
Yes, Bahman.
Okay, come on, Bafman.
Yes.
Okay, which side did you take and go?
No, Bahman no.
Okay, and where the motor where they come up Bafman that the joke can't end for here.
Yes.
So they don't carry an out head from Bafman can't pack
No,
over there.
no, carry for camion. That's 7 ton.
Okay, you can't pass the low inside water.
You can put on fire and then that 20 ton will come take on fire.
So small motor if pass on top the bridge.
No, no, tomorrow no pass.
And if you pass.
Yes.
If you only pass so go cross water.
If you cut again, even machine self no pass again.
If you cut so even machine no pass.
Yes.
It means you're hungry to keep Bafman people.
That's what no.
Well,
No, no,
okay.
Bahman. We would dig some now. We get motor carry some. We no get motor carry some.
So the only pray may then look what I can fix them now.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So pardon talk when I say when I don't hear say this so even sound way they come out them. He don't know how camion go do for can carry them. So you see him. So you see him. Another one again now so palava bridge. Bridge where they come up for side for Bafot for go for side for womb. Now camion this way it don't come with kako. Where he get for enter for inside womb, but for here it don't come tight. Camion you say no one. He for fall for inside water. Camion no one for fall for that water as when I see him. The business said they say they so is small for camion for pass. When camion carry for that place, they get for go look cement, they get for look sand, they get for look bricks where don't dry. Come broke up, put them for here so that make camion a pass. And we yesterday so the camion last a fall for inside that water. There is also that two parliamentarian for that side for whom when so Honorable Walan Richard. Send me try for help them. If not so, people then go die here finish. Okada they come for inside. Simot moto they come for inside. Last. We could last go na for side. Huh? We could last pass na hand now. Now everybody talk today so community will be important. Me when I not just look that only parliamentarian and mayor. Me we try to for bring sense. Try way for pass, we route for different side. Me they create shot. Me motor then come to the pass now for shot. Meanwhile they wait for fix this place. This man he camion with all the cackle will last remain for this place. And for bring the camion for upside, if it take like 1 week. Caesar caterpillar them, they not there for that side plenty. Yes, they not there for that side plenty. We dey talk Asha for these people them. Another one, now the oldest person for Northwest, where they should not for side for Kitium. Kitium na some village where they for that side for Kumbo. The buy yesterday, he don't talk bye-bye for Cameroon. He don't make 110 years. 110 years. So yesterday, pardon talk today, so wait away they see him. It happen for country. Better than say me he go before. Pardon talk say better than say me he go before. Now anyway, the whole team then come out. Church people them for Samba, all them they be there. All them be there for very pa and they be na big ngando. Big ngando. Grand picking and they enjoy. Say God he don't keep their grandpa sote then say grandpa is see their own picking them. Well, if this panel begin life for Christ, enough for make 110 years. Yes, and probably the talk today so now because they never put your hand for inside politics. Now why that way God is still the protect you can't reach today. When you handle inter politics, that means say when you sleep they call for night. Meeting there tomorrow for council, eh? Yes, and it needs to be before day for time. No come before mayor. No, me mayor no come before you. Sham for morning time about chop it they look na road. So probably talks this so you don't deny palava politics for inside Cameroon because it create conflict, live and contraband. Yes. We is also back to the population where they sit down for Yaoundé. And population where they should have for Kribi. Population for side for Idia. Population for side for Douala, for Buya, for Limbe, for Tiko, for Kumba. And those where they come up for Baminda. And those where they come up for Tabiken. Those where they come up for side for Ndu and for what? From Kambe, for Aku, Miseje, and for Mwa. And for side for Babisi, Ndop. And people that were there for Mancon. Say some picking them their way, that soft palace. It don't fall, collapse. For inside Tabiken village. Some quarter there where they come and say Bindi. Yes. Bindi. They say they so the soft chief they now in the back house na Beckham. And we in only say me be so. So they beg when I say me when I come out, come support them for the forest in where they will get them for Umespo, for Douala, for number 30 days. That means this Saturday. Say me when I come support them so that me they try for be the soft palace, me the chief a cash down for the. So share Derek NJANGI. Yes, na head boy with Delphine Samba. Now them they beg when I say me not can't help them because you know the worker. Yes, say you know the worker. When you not get time, you beg them. And when you beg them, people them will help you. So they beg when I say when I come, can't help them. Message where we get them for country people and for upside. Now say, when you take power, be for inside meeting house, be for inside NJANGI house, be for inside party, be for inside church. No put strong law, because the strong law where you put them, it could turn back cash na you. I don't know whether when I don't hear. When they bring message, me when they record them, they send them for inside with our forums because it could help some person. I don't talk say message where to remind they send them for upside today. Now say when you take power, be for inside family meeting, be inside village meeting, be for inside NJANGI house, be for inside party, be for inside church. No put strong law because that strong law where you don't put them, where could they protect you and your executive, the law go turn back cash na winner. When power could be for different person. So me we avoid for the create strong law. Now we message for today. Another one, when time for campaign, it don't they reach. Chiefs and fund them. They go start the look sideway palace a day. For go fool their population again. When they go win, they go disappear from the village. In those days, fund and chief, they not be get party. Any party be been a party. Man will come for right, he receive it for palace. Man will come for left, he receive it for palace. Man will come for front, he receive it. Man will come for back, he receive it. But today, false and chief them, some visitor the way they don't need them for the palace because they not there for one party. And that thing they create problem for inside villages. Wait, not correct. Me we come back 14 and we be the past in those days. Papa the way they be there the fun and chiefs. They be there for inside party. No. Why today we don't enter party? Where's tradition not the work again? When you want to wear Mimbo for bless the land, Mimbo the knock again for down, can't touch you for chest. That means say the Mimbo ancestor they don't deny. Say you not go bless this land because you be against the tradition. Village where they so inside trouble now because say the chief or the fund he don't put the hand for inside politics. When they picking come for cancer not fall, he say no, me they not may come here because he there for different party. Now so it be there first time. In those days, you know, for 6 chief in living palace, go to sleep for different side, for different man in own village. But nothing we will see today. Now last time be time. The truth is not the ever hide. Now me Ndenge, I come back when I go call. also time all man way they try way for participate for this program for your own way. Yesterday we don't talk say this so telephone for today man it don't spoil. We check say some man go just talk say no today man I go send you telephone or can't take telephone when she don't quiet. Only they talk say no go before we'll go before how wait telephone they don't spoil. Now when I go call the how. Huh? When I go call Nana how with the salute Madam Princess Blandine. We there for that side for Bafosam, they miss the program. Yes, and with the salute to Ayato, we there for that side for Benka Village. They watch the program too with the salute all Benka people them. We there for inside that side for Douala. Yes. Hello, countryman.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon for you. Who they call the person then on which side?
Welcome.
Yes. I don't see how people then they celebrate the power we get 110 years. We done that yesterday for site for Kitium. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, the number I want to talk about that woman we get accident where be the two way no be tell you man.
Yes.
Yeah, if na me I no go do no nothing because at one day with a woman be the work away I no tell me the go sometime we no be tell me. I hear na accident you go first finish for there when we come back before I go. No what I would not say my woman take work I no go even put my head for there.
That means if na a woman you know go pay hospital bill.
If na me I no go pay because I no be saying you for no place then Namoko.
So you go leave your woman for there now and then.
Yeah, he go just and you say because people will be get for government of and then because I no be the job come go play where no the government of person.
Okay, if you be die now, you know who can take the cuffs.
I be die I go to wait and for us. Even the parents for this they will come pay them for us.
From Bonso, it talk. We salute all man for side from Bonso, and we greet all man for Malantuen. We salute to those with the day for that side for Magba, and we did follow the program. We salute all man for that side for Fumban, and we salute Sultan. Yes, for Palace for side for Fumban. We USSF, they miss the program. Hello. Countryman, it be the bib na bib. Try for put credit because talk a day, and in this way we talk. Hello, countryman. Hello? They don't off the volume for your TV. Off the volume for your TV. We take different person. Hello? Hello? Good morning, countryman. Who they called and the person there on the side? Yes, Africa alias Michelle Omer. Where do you go for 10 week countryman? Yes. Me love a man. Yes. Thank you for that side. Milama man, now is this SF for the side for Fabingo so it is blue talk. Another caller there again for line. Hello? They say me the off volume for TV. I don't know whether for Cameroon we could talk now na country talk or we could talk now which kind one man no. We salute all man where it follow the program for that side for Limbe. We take this man again. Hello? These people then one now wait till and don't know me. They learn people there every day. Hello? See now so them. When you want call off volume for TV when I know the year. Good morning, sir. Hello? Give me your name and the place where you call, sir. Yes, you don't get name. People that have Balinyonga don't get name. Yes, what you never tell we countryman?
I've gone to about accident, so.
Yes.
If you feel like me, I don't really pass the person for the look up.
If you there for hospital and then doctor last own and say na on you will do how?
No, but they really on because one competition go say.
Sometimes he goes salute his sister.
No, I don't so. Maybe tell me so salute his sister.
They never ask you transport, no?
No, but
That means a woman and get na 2 man picking for Cameroon now.
That's it.
Thank you, Bali Nyonga man. We take another person again. Hello? Hello? Okay. Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning, countryman.
How are you?
Off the volume for your TV. Hey. These people then go give man high blood for this side. Hello? Yes, they say for Cameroon, woman then get plenty man picking. Are you here now? Woman then flop for Cameroon plenty. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Give me your name and the side where they call. Follow
Yes,
thing with the others that they do.
Yes, my name is Valentine. I dey call for a couple bring you baby Bamileki.
How about you for that side?
No, we dey try now, Papa. We dey try.
Yes. Talk now.
My own problem I say wetin, but that woman wey don get accident. For me now say, when person make accident or something happen for inside your house, you first try to solve that matter before later back take with the woman back begin question you. Oh, no play where you be wan go. Now for say me keep it for that same that because say you don't make accident and now you want see because of the pay before you come out. My own contribution that.
We don't hear on for that side for New Bell Bamileke, yes. Now man we there only for we corner. Yes, for that side for Douala, yes. Another person again, 650608498. We salute all man for that side for New Bell Bamileke and those were the day for Marché de Chef. We not forget those were the day for Douala Dezem. Hello?
Hello?
Off the volume for your TV. Oh, we take another person with the reason. Why people then they fumble for this program? They say off volume for your TV, so that means we talk. We take different person. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Money.
Who they call the person there outside? Yes. How volume? Yes. What do you go for Tewi?
For me, for that kind of situation, that my mom was you say 1 week before I pass. Yes.
When you go to me for 1 week, you go to chop with it.
Let me come over, not tell me where you go.
When you go to me for 1 week, you go to chop with it.
No, I don't care. If you go outside, then you go to go see him. If you come out see.
That means say when I don't love when a woman.
Woman are so and they. Only me see out time. We have also.
I shall for side for Lime. We salute Chief Henry Diko. We it follow we for that side. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Morning.
Yeah, good morning. Good afternoon.
Yes, how you doing?
Alright, fine.
Who they call the person there for outside?
Now, no, so three corner the talk.
3 corner outside, 3 corner for Bamina.
3 corner Kumba.
Where did the tongue for called Kumba for inside? With the ear, sir.
I want to talk concern the down my way. You come out to talk to master so.
Yes.
Yeah, if not me, I will go for the. I will go for the hospital. Being there, the question is, now what time did you go? Where you go get accident so.
Correct. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I'm from Bamenda. I did for Yaoundé.
Yes, talk with power.
Yes, I did for Yaoundé for Monte Chauvel, Dramasi.
Yes. How about you?
No, I did fine.
Yes. Where did he bring you for this story house?
So I thank una very much. So now for that play for accident, for that play for woman, it not say woman they begin. So that woman do something, then woman you must correct it. You will get for go pay or should be take care for you for this, bring it for us. So for you before ask anything, say which time they go. Woman they begin.
Yes.
So nothing I'm own play that they were talking. Say the person we must get for go take care for the woman. Bring it for us. You know the woman always get a small begin with the phone and a phone.
Thank you for that side. We take another person. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, madam. First lady for the program. Who they call the president outside?
My name is Jennifer. I call for Bafusam.
Yes, Jennifer, where they call for Bafusam. Yes. Wait till you get for talk.
No, one thing about that woman we get accident. It cannot be the master for go pay all the things there for the hospital and then rest now when it come out I try to question him. Where did he go?
But you say where you come over go some play, you know the tell massa?
No, maybe get problem, no. Maybe they get problem, then he come out and not talk to the master. Then I'm not able to forgive the man.
Okay, now they be get problem. He come on not talk for your master. Time we don't get accident. Why not she don't do? Why you call your master now? That means they don't feel the problem.
No, the man not supposed to say love, you know.
Ah, okay. I don't hear you now. Thank you.
Okay.
We salute all man for side for Bafosam. Yes, accident where woman a common house he not talk for him massa but last now accident in last make him he call massa 650608498 Call her again for line. Hello? Okay, we not deal with this person. We take another person with the reason small. Hello?
Yes.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
If you feel up the volume for your TV, that means say you don't understand how this can go the water.
I can answer the talk from a Kudo City.
Yes. Come on for that place where you take. Ship for that place. Okay. Abisho say could learn small now. Hello? If you know one follow the instruction, we could only send you for corner and then we take person we go follow wait till we need them. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Why would I deny for off volume for your TV? Now must say when I must remain for inside people and for call.
Yeah, hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Who they call the person then for which side?
My name is Ngala Silas.
Ngala Silas they call for all side.
I don't for your window for water umbrella.
Yes, kind name the day for you. So what you go for tell me for 20 seconds?
I want to have a women accident, so.
Yes, now sister no?
Yes.
Talk me with you.
The thing what they told us, say, if it are me, the master, I will go for hospital, try to settle the fee. Never be made a woman come alive first.
Yes.
When the woman don't have now for himself before attack question, wait if they take it come out where they go do.
Okay. You demand don't talk better talk. Yes, thank you. Hello, countryman.
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, I did call for QC, my name is Elvis.
Yes, I give you 20 seconds talk with the hear you for QC.
Yeah, I want to about that bridge where you saw him so.
For side?
For that side where you don't show him, where that place where that party carry that sun.
Yes. Now for Bafman.
I beg how you make him so I beg I be very serious. Say government go look high for that matter because that place is very dangerous. Yeah. Thank you plenty.
Salute all man for QC, eh?
Yeah, they were here. Thank you plenty for that.
Hello, countryman. Hello? You know we take another person again. Good morning, sir. 650608498. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning. Your name and the side where they call.
Hello, good morning. I don't know.
Give me your name.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, good morning, MOKO.
Good morning.
Yeah, now really for better.
How for better?
We thank God, Papa. Have a body.
Now God.
Yeah, now only God you want. I don't want to talk say the people they only talk now only palava the contribution for the woman.
Yes.
I don't want to talk say maybe even check around in them Bible news now only that one when I see and talk.
I know.
No, the other one need to be important. See that palava that what so.
The manongo. We take another person again. Hello? Hello? Good morning. Your name and the side where they call.
I come from down there.
Give me your name.
My name is Madame Dudu.
Yes. Wait till you get for talk.
Yes, I did that because Auntie Saddam asked me to matter. No say problem, no fine. I money if he come out to go, come out with they got problem. Problem, how we get problem? Sometimes the way the man talk for you, I see come out.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It depends. You know, say we woman, that person the vex. It be how the man they make with you in the house. Like he vex, that he go call, he make accident, he call. You know, say that a man is only supporting. He can who again.
But
no man.
Why the woman to not be support the talk where the man talk for you for us?
Yeah, you know, say we woman are so, you know, say we did like a tumbu the crash for our head, no.
Ah.
You know, say that so we did. If anything happen after we can regret.
Okay.
You understand, no?
That means a woman and then to move ahead. We take man from Mutengani. Hello, countryman.
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Who they call the person in the both side?
Now, somebody call him uncle.
Now, hey, phone call?
Yes.
Asala no ocha?
I want to say,
Yes.
that problem for woman, you know, the woman, they like small pieces, so.
Yes.
So, when you mix small thing with woman, you don't take like, say, the wait. So, nothing where, if that man, the deal on me, I will go, hospital, go settle the deal, when I come out, if I have nothing, I will talk for you.
Thank you plenty, eh?
And again, woman, then that's someone, they advise someone for bad way.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Okay. You record a which side phone call, countryman?
I call him uncle, no need for,
You didn't have a which quarter phone call? You don't go. Yes, Nama phone call. We salute Mr. Charming. Yes, Mr. Charming. We it watch we for side for Asha. Yes, we na quarter phone call. We salute Mr. Colonel. Yes, Shea Godwin. We did for that side for call Market Square. We salute to Mr. Tata. Yes, we did for that side for Kochi. And we salute to the fun for side for Kochi. And we salute Shea Baba. He watch the program for side we did. Hello? Caller don't go. We still wait another caller again. Woman them flop for upside, but woman them, someone them, they want enter house. Meanwhile, someone them, they want going outside. Hello?
hello?
Good morning, countryman.
Hello?
Off the volume for your TV. Now that volume, they confuse you. You see, now your new person, we don't buy a new phone, and it is glad it don't confuse you. Hello, countryman. Hello? Okay. We salute all man where they watch their program for that side for Ntumbo. We salute those where they watch them for side for SOP. And we greet all man where they watch the program for that side too. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, General Moko.
Who they call and the person there for side?
My name is Aita, the call for Yaoundé.
Yes, Yaoundé now for which side now? Now when I get all book for it. What you got for talk, countryman?
I want to concerning that woman. Maybe accident, so.
Yes.
When something happens, so you like man picking at least just take the woman, try way for solve the problem. No one will go hospital. Okay, say when something happens, so not put her head. You know, for the check woman, if not so the woman not be prison away, I'm from MOKO since I'm hotel, anything hotel. If not so with the check woman, I mean even if we tax my way, I'm go work, carry a woman, put her corner for some side check for the fear.
Okay. Hello, countryman.
So,
good morning.
good morning. This is Dr. Kevin from Kambe.
Dr. Kevin for side from Kambe. Yes, now my man that. Dr. Kevin, how would I just live on Kambe?
No, fine, no problem.
I be see how when I be celebrate for that side, when I dance, forget the bomb way it be cut people that food for that side. Hello? Good morning, sir. Doctor, no, the talk again. Okay, we take another person. If doctor no talk. Good morning.
Good morning, General Moko.
How are you, no countryman?
No, fine, General Moko.
Who they call the person then about which side?
Nuru for Sabongari, they call.
Oh, Nuru for Sabongari. I say when I get big people then for the way they make identity card and money in plenty. Not true? So Nuru, what you ever talk with the you now?
Talk about a woman. Not a woman like picking a women picking and a winning for the guy. Anyhow, they need to solve the problem before it's guy or do. You just live and so.
Yes.
Yeah, the man don't need to solve the problem before you know say any man get on this thing for a company. You don't need to solve it before it's guy do.
Yes, we salute to Madam Asiato way the wash we for side for Sabongari. We greet all Okada people for Sabongari way. They're there for Corner Television. Hello? Hello? Good morning, doctor.
Hello, this is Dr. Kevin from Kambe.
Yes.
Hello, this is Dr. Kevin from Kambe, General Moko.
Wait till we disturb before you call the call, no countryman.
Yes, and the network is disturbed. I want woman where all men they talk and say they go looking for hospital so.
Yes.
Yes, if they join the way the internet and see they go so big, then they go looking for outside. And then two say from the sleep that for water, the only way is for hot one where we feel know the differences.
That's so it is.
Because if you get problem with the master, it could possibly first journey that if one check outside, they go never get that and see they go on face water. The work away they go every day. So many man carry in bag for you.
Thank you. We salute Mastella for 2 door shahas for side from Kambe. We know the miss to the program. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Doctor.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Hello? Hello? I know the year you find. Hey. Hello? Good morning. Good morning. We salute to man where they call and say, NJANGI, where it watch the program for site. Hello?
Hello, General MOKO.
I say any man where if you don't hide for inside grass, it don't come out. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I said any man where we hide for bush, they don't show. Now no time back on the salary camp. I know say Enos again for send me in Gandura, and then Amaria send me slippers. That's so no.
That's so.
And then chief doctor go send me to another Ngandura, chief doctor for Dumbu. So, Mr. Enusa, you the corner of which side countryman?
I did about Dumbu, I want to contribute about that woman who go make that accident.
Yes.
If we get problem, go hard. If we go make accident, now if we go make that accident, that now so problem for people will not finish.
Now question that countryman.
So if they get their problem, go hard. The solution now we will take me to go drive go make accident. Now tell me she don't go hard. Make hard cool. Okay. So we say now go take me to go. If we don't die, we say master for me find different woman now.
Yes.
So that kind of one no be solution.
Yes.
Everywhere need take back his sense. That kind of thing no be for well go take me to go one die.
Thank you, countryman.
Yeah.
Salute me, Mr. Ngwang, alias Photo Man. Yes, man for photo. Salute all man for side for Dumbu Market Square. We salute those who they did for side for slap, play with the same meat and soya. Hello?
Hello?
Hi there, no countryman.
No problem for you.
Ade Kwankwe. Wait, now who do you call?
Nasalu Ade Madale.
Yes, have a Madale.
No, fine, sir.
No, Abado come.
I don't see that. I don't make up for Joanna, so that don't get saying.
No say waiting. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, General MOKO.
Who did call the person there for side? No. And it's also tough for una. You want call this program off the volume for your TV, me we talk. Because if you know then so, you know work. Hello? Hello? Good morning, sir. Good morning. Who the call? Africa.
Yes, Africa.
Yes, one talk again, Mr. Africa. Yes. Yes, stop.
They don't love you, though. I want to kill some name. Where did you call General? Some name they were given for put for you will pass that name again before you work too much. I can't what's that name.
And I don't know the name. Me, I don't know whether I weekend name.
You know, don't the name I will give because that General I don't support for you for your age.
Africa.
Maybe they don't say president go there. Now you now Africa the warriors.
What you want to talk people in the year? You now.
I want to change that name to General because you know about work. Get the name of our fight with me.
Okay. No, we will change it after. Yes, we will change it after. We salute all Mulava them. Yes. Hello? Hello? Last caller. I want to go. Last caller.
Hello?
Good morning, sir. The last caller, to don't confuse you, not confuse. Then say last caller. I don't know why when person call the program, it was only for the year thing where they talk. We not so. Not so where you want call, you the call and say me people and year thing where you the talk. Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Thank you. Now, emergency for Fumbot.
Emergency for Fumbot. Yes.
Well, I don't enter for this program today very late. We light on disappoint we. I never follow you all time.
Yes, I said. I don't hear say they don't choose some boy for Fumbot with a knife he die.
Yes. It not be easy for we for you.
No, I know if you come in for that Fumbot again. Even that play with the people. Well, Asha. So what you carry you bring about to the house today?
Well, I don't really come late. I just only the year after the woman don't die for me. I want to talk my own say if you say if you want commercial way you matter get problem. Me matter better go pay the utility but if here you know the big problem when I cheating me leave you for day as for my own talk.
Voila. So this woman don't talk when I don't hear. Me man not call again. Where this Malava Monday for the way a get kind team for gear and for man. These people in the West time. Yes.
Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, my time it don't pass. Wait to get for talk. Give me your name and the side way you call so that me we talk quick.
Yes, now again from Bama.
Yes. What you get for tell me for 10 seconds?
Yeah, so now for that preach for commodity for going down for Fundo and the back village people say may they do something before the government.
Yes.
Because if not say for Cameroon, they never win that time person don't fall, they die before they can check whether they will do at the back that base. I mean village people they may just say first before they wake government. I'm also wanting that one for that place.
Thank you. We salute to Ma Becky. Yes, Ma Becky where it watch the program. We the salute to Ma Belinda. Yes, Ma Belinda with this sister Belinda with for side for Douala. We greet all man for side for Makepe Musoke and with the salute to those with the day for that side for Bam with the salute Bamili community with the day for inside Yaoundé. With the salute to adjutant chef. Yes, adjutant chef Gerard, where they watch the program with the salute. Oh man, where a day for Carrefour Africa. Yes, Carrefour Africa for Fabringoso with the salute too. Those where they day for that side for Biamasi, like Ma Morin. Yes, Ma Morin, where they for side for Biamasi, the Banso woman, with a business woman for that side for Biamasi. You know they miss the program with the salute. All man, we participate for the program. The program don't finish, but enough it finish, we will never go for school. Tomorrow. Now another day where we get for stick camp for today house. When time for calling reach, no say you get for off volume for your TV before me and you we talk. You know the call at me, you the call at the program. And the program, now people that they watch them. You know the call at me, you the call at the program. When I don't hear no. So any man we go call tomorrow, we hear noise for television, with the TV aside, we take different one. We don't sing them. Yesterday say they so telephone them for today, man, it don't spoil. And now we now be fed by the other one. If I say me, we not buy again because the program now on the program. We never force no person, eh? Yes, we never force no person. Any man will get good heart, where if he support say me, the program get new telephone, it go support them. Eh? Yes. So that palava cow where they be cut them from butt, where be show now. Where they be tossing on title man, it don't cut cow, so they one die. The story we still follow them as I be telling now. For know the truth. So they will talk say police be lock for police station. So before Friday, we could come with the true story. Yes, we could still bring the story back so that we know how it be passed and how it last end. Because for today house, when we show something, we come back, show her it last end. Yes, and they talk now that palava that Yaoba. Yes, that Yaoba Ikao, where they be Kokotam, and when a title man, it be Kokotam. The true story we get for tell when it be last end. Countryman. So with the time Mr. Francois when I say a match button, land this say we it be concentrate for Facebook page and with the back all man. Me when I go for Facebook, go find out General MOKO NJANGI house. Now we Facebook page. Try wait for like the page and then subscribe for it so that me will be member for the group. So they call me General MOKO, the only general for Cameroon, where they work out broom for sweep all dirty for Cameroon, send them for water, so that make Cameroon the shine, me you know the smell. With the salute to Tache Roger, yes, when a headmaster for that site for Pong. So carry me will go now because it needs me man post something for mop me interbele because man no tomorrow. Bye bye, we don't go.